Okay, so here's the Vauxhall Astra G gear lever itself you're looking at. I had one person ask me recently how to get the gear knob off itself. Obviously it's the Astra G, I'm showing you. Nearly every car is very similar. The reverse in this car has got to be pushed like that and not the pressy ones. However, all you got to do for these cars is just grab them there firmly and just twist really. So it's, as you can see, this one's a bit stuck, but when you get it around there, you just get it a bit round and you just got to put a bit of force upwards. And as you can tell, this one needs replacing. It's a bit eating away there, and I'm going to change that as well. So that's how you get the car gear levers off, and just to put them back on, all you got to do is just push it down properly. Once it's down, just twist it and it'll just come and lock into a place. Try and get the image back, so it looks a bit better than what it was. And that's how you change the gear levers in all the cars really. So please like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you.